Hello and welcome to Forest Tech. As always, we bring you tech reviews, tips and tutorials to help you live life smarter. And today I have the Mixcder E9 Active Noise Cancelling headphones. These are the Active Noise Cancelling earphones, and the model I'm reviewing is E9. Supposedly they should give you around 30 hours of playback time, then you get around 40 mm of audio drivers, which are big enough so you don't miss on the details of your games, music and movies. Then you have both the wired or the wireless way to connect with these headphones. Oh hey, it's got a environmental friendly design right on the box. That's a little detail which I actually like. I mean, it shows that the manufacturers around the world, they actually take care of the ecosystem. Now, the size of the carrying case out of the box is pretty much the same as the box itself. Now, it's not a very practical size if you ask me. So I usually use it without the carrying case. I just fold it up and chuck it in my bag. It looks like as if you're carrying 100 CDs cover with you. However, the quality of this box is actually quite good. I mean, you put your headphone into it, and if it just falls down, you need not to worry about it. So this is the E9. It's a successor to their previous E7 and E8. It's their newest. It's supposed to be more improved in the sound quality. It's supposed to give you a lot more value than the previous versions. So taking this out of the box, you get yourself two 40 mm sound drivers, the over-the-ear headphone design. Then the manual, you get the charging cable. Thank you for your purchase. Want products for amazing prices? Welcome to Mixcder.com. To claim your 12-month warranty, please go to Mixcder.com. So at the time when they were launched, they were coming for around $89 and they were referred to as under $100 headphones. But now I refer to them as something that comes just above $50. They're selling for around $59. About the build, I think it's actually quite good. Mix of plastic going on these shiny edges of the headphones, and then there is that soft leatherish cushioning going on at the top of the headband and then on the sides of your ears as well. Now, using them for around 3 weeks, I think it's very comfortable, not much of a sweat that was going on. Ear size fits quite conveniently around your ears. Then you got these normal controls. You got the plus button, negative button to volume up, volume down, skip the track and go back, whatnot. Right of it, you get the 3.5 mm audio jack so you can connect your stereo cable. Then you have the ANC, the Active Noise Cancellation button, which does most of the magic for this headphone. So I've been able to use this at a distance of around 40 feet, and there hasn't been a lot of disconnections, to be honest. Just a few disconnections, especially when you're using a wireless headphone. That is ought to happen. And those disconnections were particularly in more of a crowded or congested space where there are a lot of people. And then these have the Bluetooth 4.0, so it does quite well with the wireless connection. So to get these things charged, you need around 2.5 to 3 hours of time, and I've used them for around 3 weeks now, and it gave me around 6 to 7 days easy without needing another charge, which I think for headphones this size is actually quite suitable. Mixcder, they seem to have their own proprietary active noise cancellation technology going on, and that really seems to do quite well for them. But I've seen that the overall sound quality does get improved as well if you have the ANC turned on. Yes, the vocals do improve if you're making a voice call or you're on a Skype call. But at some point you do feel the sound to be a slightly overdone sound. It's a little bit more processed, but mark my words, this is a $59 headphones, and for that, the Active Noise Cancellation does really well for it. Talk about the music, the overall music is actually quite good. It's not very exact. I mean, you do feel a little bit of treble or the mids lacking at some places. Now, I do think that the budget headphones usually have a slightly too much of a bass, but gladly, this headphone does not have really a lot of bass coming up and just overdoing your head with it. So what do I expect in the Mixcder E10? Something that sounds a bit more authentic than to slightly more processed audio. And secondly, if they can cover up all these ports and make this waterproof, spill-proof in any way, that will be great to knock down most of the competitors in the budget market of headphones. So altogether, you get a nice build, you get a foldable design, you get good nice 40 mm speakers around your ears, and you get active noise cancellation, which is my favorite buying point for this headphones. So all of that for $59 straight on Amazon. If you want to order one for yourself, I'm going to be leaving the link in the description below. You guys can check it out. If you have any questions or comments, don't forget to leave them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, do hit the like button, and if you want to follow up on my future reviews, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll be seeing you soon with another review. Till again, Forest Tech signing out.